In today's video, I'm going to show you how to give a plain corner an attractive look with a stunning retaining wall. Here is my inspiration picture, and I have a corner that's located next to my pool in my backyard. It's inside my cage, and this is what I decided to do. I decided to do a double retaining wall. The first thing you want to do is level off your bricks. You're going to try to measure how many bricks you need. Every home is different, so it was a different amount for me. I wanted a double layer, so these are the bricks that I use. My hubby, with his lovely self, decided to make it for me, and it came out really, really nice. So the first thing you want to do is grab your dirt, and I have about 7 bags. You also want to add some type of mortar, cement, or even caulking cement that you can spray. You also want to use some draining rocks. It's called draining gravel. I used about 3 bags of these, and I'm telling you, this is a weekend project. It was easy and very simple to do. So you want to spread the draining rocks out to make sure it covers everything. We put some 2x4s behind the cage because that's the screen back there. And if you're wondering what type of plant I use a bird of paradise. I actually use 2 different plants, and everything came from Lowe's. Add in your dirt and spread it out as you add it. So here's my husband dumping out the dirt. He dumped about 7 bags, and like I said, the 2x4s protected the back of my screen because there's a dog walk behind my screen, and we also added some seashells back there. And Snowball is very trained. We take him for a walk to go do his business, but sometimes he walk back there in the backyard. So we have a dog walk back there, and I also have a garden back there. Make sure you spread out all the dirt. I use dirt with fertilizer, and as you can see, the first planting is done at the top, and here's the second one. This is how it looked after the mortar dried and everything was leveled. And I'm telling you, it took about 4 hours to do. That's about it. Here's the final project. I have all my plants in there. I have some perennials. I also have some annuals. And I have easy plants that come back every year. Some do, some don't. But hopefully by the end of the summer, it'll be spilling over with abundance of flowers and plants. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please leave me a thumbs up. Let me know in the comments what's your favorite flower, and have you started gardening yet? I have. It was 90 degrees on this day. We're in Florida. So make sure you subscribe. If you haven't subscribed, make sure you hop over to Mr. Traveler's channel, where we take you with us as we travel the world. I also added some cute little night lights, and here it is at dusk, and I'll show you a picture how it looks at night. I hope you enjoyed this video. Live your dreams, glam your lifestyle. Take care. Bye, everyone.